Imagine yourself in this Kia 2017 Forte LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: carpeted floor mats, black cloth seat trim, LX popular package included, soft touch dash and front upper door panels, sliding armrest, versus non-sliding on center console, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, rear camera display, front passenger seat, back map pocket, rear center armrest with cup holders, auto on-off headlights, drive mode system, normal ECO sport, sunglass holder, illuminated ignition and glove box, radio, AM/FM CD MP3 4.3 inches display unit, Sirius satellite radio, USB auxiliary input jack, 6 speakers, Bluetooth wireless technology with voice recognition, and steering wheel mounted audio controls, dual illuminated visor, vanity mirrors, overhead map light, cargo net, black premium cloth seat trim, deep sea blue, front wheel drive.